everybody. Today I am eating something else that I very, 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 very hate even more than eggs. I'm eating
chicken nuggets.
Yes, which I hate. And now I'm gonna try them today. Wait, Mama, I need to what? Okay, let's try them. It's kind of yucky. No. I would go second to me.
I want to get a pin.
I actually love chicken nuggets. No, Alex watching my YouTube channel. Well then. She might tell you the answer in the comments. Oh my god, my tiny things were about my phone. I actually like chicken nuggets and I fooled you. I thought, but I actually don't like eggs. The first video that I posted was true. I don't like, but coconut milk, I love true. And the last day that I'm here on this earth, the first thing I'm eating is chicken nuggets. So, goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment a chicken nugget emoji if you love chicken nuggets too. I just know chicken nugget emoji, comment a chicken.